So hello guys, here it is a new video which is about how to change oil on your M113 and M113 engines. Let's start from the tools you need for it. This is the first tool, this is oil pump. Then you will need the ratchet. I'm using 3/8 ratchet because my oil filter wrench is suitable for it. You will also need the main oil filter wrench. I'm using this Hazard Guy 2169 as you can see, and I'm using this extension, not very long and not very short, suitable for this job. You must put this extension to the oil filter wrench and then use it with ratchet. Also you will need some torque wrench because it is important to torque the oil filter to the engine at 25 Newton meters, not more and not less, as Mercedes shows and recommends to you. Also you will need some funnel reservoirs, new oil and oil filters for this job. Now guys, I have removed the oil dipstick from the engine and put the oil pump tubing in the place of the dipstick, and I prepared everything to pump this guy about 40 times and let the old oil suck out. Also you must remove the oil cap from the engine to depress the pressure and make sure that engine flows freely. So guys, now I pumped the oil pump tool about 40 or 45 times, and old oil is coming out from the engine. It takes about 20 minutes to suck all the oil from the engine and to make the engine oil free for adding new oil on it. Hello. Now everything goes the right way and we are waiting the oil to pump out. This is the old oil which I pumped out with this topsider oil pumping tool. This is about 8 liters and you can see how dark it looks. Now let's prepare for the oil filter changing. Here is the combination of the tools I showed you previously some minutes ago, and here is how I am removing now oil filter from the engine and I'm preparing it to change. Guys, I prefer to do my job as clean as I can. So you can see the funnels and you can see these materials which I put under the engine cover to make sure that no old oil will spin on my engine and oil drops will not make dirty my engine bay. So now I'm removing old oil filter and put it in this reservoir. So some drops you can see that are on the engine cover, but I will clean it and not a big deal. Here you can see how my engine is clean and I'm very happy of it. So here is the old engine oil filter I have just removed. Let's remove the oil wrench from this plastic engine part, and then I am removing the old oil filter and preparing this plastic part for cleaning and for O-rings replacing. It is good time to inspect also your this engine plastic part. I don't know what exactly call to it, so I am calling the plastic part. Make sure that nothing is broken, everything is tight and good on it. And prepare your O-rings and gaskets to change on this part. You have 4 of them and every of them will come on your engine oil filter with your engine oil filter complete. Or the engine oil filter is ready to throw out This is garbage now and you will never need it. So guys, here you can see that we have 4 O-rings, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The fourth is the biggest one, and you must change all of them before to apply new oil filter on this plastic part. Here I removed them from this part also already, and here are the new ones, and I will put them on this plastic part now. Let's open this plastic box as I can say, and start to apply the O-rings on their places. Here guys, I already have placed new O-rings. Here are they, 1, 2, 3 and 4. They are brand new now, and I already applied new oil filter on this plastic tube. Here you can see the instruction. This is right on the top and this is not right, so make sure that one line is under the plastic cover. Now I installed the new oil filter on my engine and tightened it, but not as best as I could. So for it I will need torque wrench. I applied it to the 25 Newton meters, and I will now tighten the oil filter on its place with this torque wrench, and the torque spec will be 25 Newton meters exactly, not much and not less, as Mercedes recommends. Here we are, oil filter is installed tightly and as best as I could. And the final step, which I am moving now, is to fill up your engine with new oil. You will need for it some funnel to do the job easier, to make the job easier, and new oil for your car. I will use this Aral Hydronic MSAE 5 W40 full synthetic engine oil. I use this oil all on my cars, all on my Mercedes, and I can recommend it to you. This is very good oil, and I have no problems with it. I have this car about 8 years already, and every time I use this oil. So guys, when you will fill up your engine, you will need to check the dipstick before running the engine. Make sure that the measurement is good and is between min and max on the dipstick. I will now show you. This is before starting the engine with new oil. Here you can see where it stands. Now I will fire my engine up about 5 seconds, make it work, and then check the measurement, and if it is necessary I will fill up. Here you can see I filled it up, and now it is the final measurement on my engine dipstick. So guys, everything is okay, everything is filled up, and I'm ready to hit the road again. So if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, stay tuned, and much more videos will come soon. Goodbye guys, and thank you for watching.